I'm going to explain why you need to have patience in order to be a successful Forex trader. Let's talk about that and more right now. Hey traders, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach with video and podcast number 298. Now, the key to being a successful Forex trader is having patience. Now, many people get into trading thinking it's going to be fast, action-paced, moving markets all the time, lots of screens with news channels and things coming through, and high action pace, traders sat there, can't miss a single bit of news, they can't miss a single pip of movement, they're there taking trades within milliseconds, getting in and out of the market all the time, like real fast, action-paced stuff. Now, that's the perception. And the reality is, or the reality should be, if you are going to become a good trader and to last as a Forex trader, the important thing is that you need to do the exact opposite. So the reality for me, it couldn't be farther from the truth. I don't have any news channels going. I don't look at any new feeds. I'm looking at the close of a candle and I'm displaying patience. You don't need to be sitting at your charts all day long, all day and night in order to become a good trader. Think of the phrase, less is more. It applies to trading absolutely perfectly. Why would you want to make, let's say, 2% on your account in a week and you've taken 50 trades as opposed to maybe making 2% on your account in the week and you've maybe taken 5 trades? You know, which is going to be more enjoyable? Which is actually making you money? Which is more long-term beneficial? Which is actually putting money into your account rather than your broker's account? And so patience is the absolute key. Now, just last night, I held a live webinar with my clients, and a very successful client typed in on the chat that we had saying, "Hey, Andrew, I'm taking trades only on the currency pairs that have a certain direction showing on the monthly chart and that same direction showing on the weekly chart, and then I'm taking trades only on that pair in that direction for that week's worth of trading." I'll give you a great example. So today's Friday, the 9th of November, and we're just about getting close to the Thursday's daily candle closing at 5 p.m. New York time. Now, I'm just about to take a sell trade and suggest to my clients we look at a sell trade on the daily chart on the Euro US dollar. Now, at the beginning of the month, beginning of November, I took a specific monthly chart Euro US dollar sell trade. On the weekly chart, I'm also looking for sell trades. And then today being the last day of the week, so for the first 4 days of this week, there have been no suitable setups on the Euro US dollar on the daily charts. But today, I'm going to take one very shortly. And we have our specific way of entering and exiting, etc. But I'm taking a sell trade on the daily chart. It happens to be in the monthly and the weekly direction. So, you know, when the daily is lining up, and I've had a pullback and I've had some indecision, now I'm getting a confirmation candle, I'm going to be taking a sell trade. Now, just on that webinar yesterday that I talked about, I also took a sell trade on the 1 hour chart, also on the Euro US dollar. Because I've got the monthly, I've got the weekly, I had the daily, and then on the 1 hour chart, I had a perfect sell trade and it made full profit. So the patience is the key. Don't go forcing trades. You don't have to have them all lining up. That's not part of this discussion, but it's to show you that, that the patience and the A-grade high probability trade setups are really what you should be waiting for. You know, it's like I said, don't need to be making 2% with 50 trades if you can make 2% with 5 trades or 1 or 2 trades. You know, it's all about patience, waiting for the setups to show you those A-grade setups. When you see them, then you take them with full confidence. So I hope that helps. This is Andrew Mitchem, the Forex Trading Coach. I see you this time next week.